I have a list of things that I need to get done. It's right here. I'll give you guys a closer glimpse at it, but not that everything on this list is going to get done, but the whole point is if I try to get most of it done and it's done, I feel like I'm better prepared for the next day. Hey friends, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's going to be kind of like a Sunday setup. It's going to be kind of like a Sunday reset because it is Sunday and I'm going to try to do some of the things that I like to do to prepare me for the next day, for the week that's about to start. And guys, when I tell you it is so good to try to organize yourself when you're a new mom, when you've got a toddler, just when you have little ones, it is so much easier to be organized and when you're organized and prepared. I have a list of things that I need to get done today. Right here, I'll give you guys a closer glimpse at it, but not that everything on this list is going to get done, but the whole point is if I try to get most of it done and it's done, I feel like I'm better prepared for the next day. So yeah, so one of the first things I want to take care of is the baby's laundry. I want to get his bibs and stuff washed. He's running out of bibs, and if I stock up now, I'll give myself a fresh start to the week until I do laundry midweek. I want to meal prep. I'm going to be preparing supper, especially for myself. I am still on blood pressure medication and I'm doing my best to get off. So prepping meals and ensuring that I have like low sodium meals at hand is really, really helpful. I want to clean my main bathroom downstairs. I think that speaks for itself. I want to restock the baby's diaper areas. One in particular is this area in his room, which it just gets taken over by various things and becomes a mess. So I want to re-clean that area. And I say upstairs and downstairs because there's another area downstairs that consists of his diapers and stuff that I want to take care of as well. And I want to go through his diaper bag. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to kind of dive right in and start doing these things. And I'll touch base with you guys, and I'm going to be check marking things off as I get them done, because good Lord knows that I will need his help, because like I said, I am the mom to a 3-month-old, and babies need us whenever they need us, and whenever he needs me I have to be available, and that means that things are not getting done. But I'm not going to put pressure on myself. I'm just going to try my best, and I'm going to get started and just give it what I got. Guys, so this is the potatoes, this is what's going in, and these are the veggies. I initially intended for it to be a 1-tray meal, for everything to be on 1 tray, but I realized I don't have a tray that's big enough, so we're going to put them in on 2 separate trays. So recently my hubby went to Once Upon a Child to go get me another sleep sock for baby boy because he loves this so much. So I'm just taking these things off and throwing them in the laundry real quick while showing you the haul. So he got this one, this sleep sack. He got this cute little outfit. Isn't that adorable? I can so picture him wearing this. Is going to be adorable. Got him some more long sleeve onesie, though I don't know how long that's gonna last because he grows so big. This one, what does it say? Little brother, so cute. Oh, this is, I love this. This was really cute. This says legend. This was really cute. So this is why I want to get these things in the wash real quick, because if I don't, he is gonna outgrow them. This one says little dinosaur. Little dino roar? Oh, little dino big. This one says little dino big roar. Oh my gosh. and I think it goes with this. It went with this and this. This is a 3-piece set, and I think it was like $7. And the Legend one actually came with a sweatpants, so I can't wait just to get him and get a picture of that. Got a cute little Batman onesie and a little baseball tee thing that says Little Bro. So we're gonna get those, the tags off of those, and throw all their laundry in. I throw his laundry in with baby girls. I do throw his baby boy's laundry in with his sisters because it just, I don't know, helps it to go faster. And I don't know, and I don't, for some reason I'm just not yet ready to wash theirs with our clothes because I still like the children's detergent. You guys, someone just brought me water. They're like, Mom, you need to hydrate yourself. You're so sweet. Thank you. Come give me a kiss. Oh, I love her. Guys, this is my little caddy corner downstairs. I restocked all diapers, make sure I have diapers in there. I have like just a little outfit for changing baby boy, like a sleeper and then pants, because he's wearing pants today just in case he has a blowout and he just needs to change his pants. I've got diaper rash cream, I've got Vaseline, and then I do have this down here. I do have this down here for if he's crying and I want to put him to sleep, kind of like how he is right now. I could be using this, but I just wanted to be able to get stuff done while I'm holding him. Here I have my wrap, as well as I have my own deodorant and chapstick. This is just like a little mommy basket for myself. Sometimes I stash my little workout gear in there, that way I don't have to run all the way upstairs to get it. So we've got Gabrielle in here getting a head start with the banana bread so we can have some snacks throughout the week. Though we did go grocery shopping and picked up some, someone else had baked some treats, but they're basically on the way out, so yeah. Ooh, the veggies are looking really good. So I think we can get our chicken stuck in there. So guys, I had meal prepped using this chicken. I made it about 3 days ago and I've been using it pretty much for each meal. I think I skipped one day. We had chicken Caesar salad yesterday. We had it with chicken and quinoa. And then I had quinoa and chickpeas one day. And now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the rest of this. Probably in a, I was gonna put it in a saucepan. I couldn't decide if I wanted in a saucepan or just in the oven. I might just stick it in the oven on top of the veggies. That way we don't dirty up more stuff.